Hello, yeah, this is Tom from Motton Technology. Let me show you the installation process of our outdoor shoe lockers. Once you received our package, you open the box and lay out all the parts like this one. This is the bottom, this is back side wall, and this is side wall, the front door and the top cover, the shelf and the foot, and this is the fastener. And also we provide the screwdriver bit. You should prepare the screwdriver, but we will provide the driver bit for you. And all the screw or nuts, we can provide the full set for you. And then I will show you the step by step of the shoe locks installation process. Now we start install the foot for the lock, and we use this type of the screw assembly. We have the washer, spring washer, flat washer. All the material is stainless 304, and we should use the hex screwdriver bit to install this screw assembly. And the bottom, we have the pre-installed nut that's press fit assembled to the bottom side. Okay, so let's finish that. Once we finish the foot assembly, we flip over and start to install the sidewalls. Then we should change the screwdriver bit to the cross type, and then start to assemble the sidewall like this one. So now once we finish the both side wall assembly, and then we start to install the back side wall. Yeah, apparently there are many ventilation on the side wall, back side wall, because we need ventilation to dissipation the smelling. So the back side wall should be screwed to the side wall. Once we finish the back side wall assembly, we should verify the quantity of the screw, and there are 4 screws on each side wall, and there are 6 screws on the bottom side. Start to assemble the top frame, and you should verify the side. Okay, so apparently there are latch holes on this side, so this should be downside. Then we can fasten the top frame to the side walls. Now we start to store the door column to the top frame and bottom base. So this column is symmetric, so you should not verify the top or downside. Okay, now we install the top cover. Also, we need to verify the nut quantity. So there are total 8 nuts. They need to be checked. It's very easy to assemble the shelf because we already have the screw installed, and we have the slot on the shelf. So you just put on the bolt. So total we have 8 shelves. Okay, now we start to install 4 doors. We just need to screw them to the body. So this is the latch. Okay, now we start to install the lock. Okay, now we finish the complete shoes lock assembly. Looks good.